boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Cheyenne here with the song called Bailando Bachata. I think it's the first time here we cover Cheyenne here. A big artist and deserves some attention here on Gordon Guitar, of course. So this one is a pretty straightforward song, only 4 chords, one strumming pattern that goes through the entire song. So let's take a look at this song. Capo set here on the first fret to have the easiest chords possible, and the chords will be G, D, A minor, and C. So let's start with the G. That is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. The next chord is D, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have A minor 7, so that is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally we have the C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so let's start this song here to learn the strumming pattern. It starts with A minor, so that will be the chords we're looking at with the strumming here. So let's see the strumming. It goes like this for 1 round. Pretty short and fast. So it was down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up. That's 1 round. A couple rounds of it to get the feeling for the rhythm. It goes like this. Alright, so let's take a look at the different parts here. It actually goes pretty much in the same way through the entire song. The only difference here is the starting here. The first verse, it starts with A minor. Alright, so you're going to play 4 strumming rounds per chord, and the chord progression here for the verse will be A minor, the C major, the C, the G, and the D. Alright, so so that is how the first verse goes, all right? That takes us to the pre-chorus, and the pre-chorus will be, again, starting with A minor 7. You're gonna play 4 strumming rounds of that, then you go to the C and play 2 rounds of that, and then you just play 1 down with a big pause on the D. So A minor 7, C, and then D, like this. Then comes the chorus. So A minor 7, 4 rounds, C, 2 rounds, and then 1 down on D with a pause. And that takes us to the chorus. Now, the chorus starts with G. So goes G, 4 rounds, D, 4 rounds, A minor 7, 4 rounds, and C, 4 rounds. That goes on for 2 chord progression rounds. All right, so for both choruses in this song, this G, D, A minor, and C for 2 rounds. Let's play 1 round together. Alright guys, so after the chorus comes an instrumental part, and it just continues in the same way for 1 chord progression round. G, D, A minor, and C. Then comes the second verse, and this one differs from the first one. Now, it just continues in the same way as the chorus and instrumental parts. That is, again, G, 4 rounds, D, 4 rounds, A minor, 7, 4 rounds, and C, 4 rounds. So nothing changes there. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. All right. Then comes the second chorus and second instrumental part. Nothing changes there. All right. So 2 rounds of the same chorus and 1 round of the same instrumental parts. We forgot to mention the second pre-chorus as well. Nothing changed there as well. So the second round, to summarize the second round, the only difference here is the first, the verse there. If you compare it to the first verse, this second round of verse goes G, D, A minor, and C. So that pretty much covers Cheyenne's Bailando Bachata. Very easy song to handle here with capo on the first fret, easy chords, pretty straightforward strumming, and that's it, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Feel free to subscribe to this channel. We have a mix here of music, so if you want to be surprised to have everything from country to pop music, and even songs that usually not fits guitar, we'll cover them here on Gordon Guitar. So feel free to hit the subscribe button, and until next time, play tuned.